Unlock the full potential of your data with Retable's extensive integration possibilities. Whether you're aiming to automate workflows, synchronize data across platforms, or create dynamic data-driven processes, Retable's integration partners like Pipedream, Albato, Integrately, Pabbly, Make, Zapier, Dokin, Relay, and Activepieces offer seamless connectivity solutions. Let's explore how you can link Retable to these powerful tools and transform your data handling efficiency. By visiting our integrations page, you can access our new integrations added every day and how to use Retable with our integration partner. You can take a look at the tutorials on how to integrate them. Each integration provides a seamless connection to integrate Retable with your other business applications, helping you manage your business operations in sync. By integrating Retable with these powerful platforms, you can transform how you interact with your data, automate processes, and connect with other applications. Each integration unlocks new possibilities for efficiency, allowing you to focus on what matters most in your business. Embrace the power of Retable's integrations and take your data management to the next level of automation and efficiency.